According to a blog post from CEO Jack Conte, Patreon is laying off 20% of its staff. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The layoff announcement notes that while Patreon's business remains strong, it needs to adjust the company's cost structure to make it a stable, dependable rock for creators. Conte says they're making a number of changes to their organizational structure, specifically by flattening it, refocusing teams on top priorities, and evolving key aspects of their operations, helping them adapt to change faster. The laid-off employees will be offered 16 weeks of severance and an additional week of pay for each full year they worked at the company, along with medical benefits through the end of the year and a stipend to purchase a laptop. The company is also offering make-good payments for some employees who aren't eligible for other payouts. And just like every other layoff, its culprit is AI as well. Cope admitted that AI is not a replacement for human creativity, but it does have an impact on how things are operated and organized. In an interview from early this year, the CEO said that Patreon needed to embrace AI as a product and engineering company, or it will be dead in 3 years. Of course, Patreon is doing this all for its creators, as it announced that it's adopting Cloudflare's AI crawl control tool to limit what companies are able to scrape from creators' pages to train AI. When the majority of Patreon's content was blocked by a paywall, crawlers were a non-issue. But now that the company is encouraging users to offer free content and use the platform as a form of social media, more creators' work is vulnerable. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.